William Russel Dudley. William Russel Dudley, March 1, 1849, June 4, 1911, was an American botanist. At 71, he headed the botany department at Stanford University from 1892 to 1911. 70. His collection built at Stanford is considered to be one of the most important contributions to knowledge of the flora of California. At 71, this became the nucleus of what is now known as the Dudley Herbarium. At 71. Early life. He was born in Guilford, Connecticut. At 71, he grew up on a farm where he developed an interest in plants. At 71, he became a student at the new Cornell University in 1870, graduating in 1874 and paying his way by milking cows at the university's farm. At 71, his college roommate and future first president of Stanford University, David Starr Jordan, who later wrote an obituary for him in the journal Science, wrote of his demeanor, saying that Dudley was a tall, well-built, handsome, and refined young man, older and more mature than most freshmen, and with more serious and definite purposes. He studied natural history under Louis Agassiz on Peniques Island in 1875 and in the Harvard Summer School in 1876. In 1873, he became instructor of botany at Cornell and in 1884 assistant professor of cryptogamic botany, and also professor of botany in the Martha's Vineyard Summer Institute during its sessions in 1878-79. He was appointed botanical collector for the university, received his master's degree in 1876, and was promoted to assistant professor of botany. At 71, in 1892, he took a position as head of the Stanford Department of Systematic Botany. At 71, his important published works include the Cayuga Flora 1886, a catalog of the flowering plants and vascular cryptograms found in and near Lackawanna, and Wyoming 1892, the genus Philospatix, and vitality of the Sequoia gigantea. At 71, he was an early forest preservationist, often consulting for U.S. Forester Gifford Pinchot regarding developing national forests in California. He became an activist in the Sempervirens Club, devoted to protecting the coast redwood Sequoia sempervirens, and was key to establishment of what is now Big Basin Redwoods State Park in the Santa Cruz Mountains. At 71, in 1901, the California legislature passed an enabling act whereby 3,800 acres, 1,500 ha of land. Dudley was one of 4 men appointed to the first state board of commissioners. Big Basin Redwoods State Park was established in 1902, the first of many in that state created since then. Dudley contracted an illness while studying trees in Persia. He contracted a severe cold or bronchitis in Egypt, and later died of tuberculosis in 1911 in Los Altos, Ca. At 71, in 1913, Stanford University published a Dudley Memorial volume containing a paper by the then late professor and appreciations and contributions by friends and colleagues. Selected publications: 1886. The Cayuga Flora, Part I, a catalog of the Phoenegamia growing without cultivation in the Cayuga Lake Basin. Ithaca, 1886. 1886. Sketch of Curtis. The Journal of Mycology, 2 5459. JSTOR 3,752,390. 1886. Ilias Magnus Fries. The Journal of Mycology, 28, 9194. JSTOR 3,753,020. 1886. Charles Christopher Frost. The Journal of Mycology, Teuton, 11418. JSTOR 3,752,694. Eponymous taxa. Kerx Dudley Mac. Dudley's sedge, a monocot, is a perennial herb that is endemic to California. Dudley, a genus of succulent perennials, Juncus Dudleyi, Wigan Dudley's Russia Rushlacania Dudleyi Hera lichen in family Ramellinaceae of the order Lecanorales. Lupinus latifolius Lindell. X. J. Agard SSB. Dudley, D.B. Kenny and D. Dunn. D. Dunn. D. Dunn. Mimulus Dudley A.L. Grant Dudley's monkeyflower, endemic to California. Malaridiomyces Dudley F.A. Har. 1990. Pedicularis Dudley Elmer, a dicot known as Dudley's lousewort, a perennial herb that is endemic to California. Phacelia humilis Tor. And A. Grave R. Dudley J.T. Howell. Polystichum Dudley maxina, species of fern known by the common name Dudley's sword fern. Sarcosopha Dudley Peck Barrel 1984, a species of cup fungus in the family Sarcosophaceae of the order Pezzosalis. Tritolea Dudley Hoover, Dudley's triplet lily or Dudley's Tritolea, a monocot, is a perennial herb that is endemic to California. References